Hello everyone, my name is Tara Tarabi and this is my worksheet for Java Cafe. The purpose of this spreadsheet I created was to consolidate product group and store sales for 4 quarters. I created this case problem grouping the 4 quarterly worksheets by selecting quarter 1, holding shift, and then clicking on quarter 4. And as you can see here, the sheets are grouped. And to ungroup, you would just click on another sheet, for example, the documentation. I calculated the totals by selecting the range and clicking on the sum button and pressing the sum button. I formatted the numbers by choosing the thousand separator, and then I decreased the number of decimal places by clicking on this button right here. To copy a worksheet, I went to Edit, Move or Copy Sheet, and then I created my Summary Sales worksheet. To delete the data in the sheet, I clicked on the range B5 to E7, went to Edit, Clear, Contents to delete all the data. To enter the formula and use the 3D reference, I clicked on B5, and as you can see here, I typed equal sum, and then I clicked on quarter 1. I grouped quarter 1 and quarter 4, and then I clicked on B5, and I pressed enter, and I got my formula. And I did that for each, and I did that for each cell. Well, the pages were grouped, the worksheets were grouped, so all the information was the same on each sheet. Now, to set up the worksheets to print, I made sure all 5 sheets were grouped from summary sales to quarter 4. I went to layout, page layout. I entered my title for the heading by clicking on sheet name, insert sheet name. And for the footing, I typed my name and I entered the date by clicking on insert date. To save the workbook as a template, I went to File, Save As, and clicked on Excel Template. I believe we were asked to use the 3D references to calculate the totals for each product group and store instead of a formula because for this specific tutorial we are working with different worksheets within a workbook containing similar data that we need to total our sales. With that said, using the 3D references is much easier and convenient to reference each worksheet that contains the same type of data to summarize the totals in our summary sales worksheet.